Hi there, Joel from Jonesy's, and today we're talking about Cummins diesel engine conversion mounts, how we manufacture them, how we assemble them, and what applications they can be installed in on your truck. So here you can see we have our GMT 400, the 88 through 99 GM trucks, the independent front suspension like the Sabruno project, as well as the red Suburban and the blue Suburban. So we designed these so that they are kind of self-fixturing when they're welded. They have slots and tabs that interlock together. These are laser cut, CNC laser cut, as well as bent to create an extremely robust design. It's a standard 3/8 plate for the actual mounting plate, and then this is 1/4 inch hot rolled steel. So to illustrate our slot and tab design, this stuff is very high tolerance. And these slots go in just like that. You can see that the fit on them is really good. This back section is plug welded, ground smooth, and then we apply a fillet weld on each corner. After that, they get all the mill scale removed and they're coated. This GM mount for the GM trucks utilizes the Gen 1 Dodge rubber isolator. So if you have a Gen 1, meaning the VE pump Dodge Cummins, this utilizes the factory Dodge rubber mount. When you buy these mounts, I'll email you the template and the hole locations, as well as some support documentation to show you exactly where you need to drill and modify your existing GM chassis to make these work. On to the Land Cruiser. Here you can see this Land Cruiser is partially assembled. It's already had the mill scale removed, and it's already been tack welded to the actual base mounting plate. This mount itself utilizes the factory 80 series rubber isolator mount and requires no cutting, no grinding, no welding, no holes for the installation. It positions the Cummins in exactly the right spot. So hopefully that clarified how we manufacture and how we assemble our Cummins diesel conversion engine mounts. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send us an email at info@jonesys.com. Also, please click on the subscribe and like button so that you guys get all the notifications of our new products, our new videos, and you can show support for the channel. Thanks for watching.